Namaskaram. This is Namasha Prajapati and I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. Today I'll be reciting the MAYURA HASTA VINIYOGAs for you guys, after which I'll be telling the meaning of the same. So let's start. MAYURA HASTA VINIYOGA. Mayurakhyo latayam cha shakune vamanyo tatha अलकश्याप नयने ललाट तिलकेषु च नित्युतकस्य निक्षेपे शास्त्रवादे प्रसिद्धके एवं अर्थे सुयुज्यन्ते मयूरकरभावना. Okay, so now I'll be telling the meaning of the same. Mayurakhyo, to show a peacock. Latayam cha, to show a vine creeper climbing. Shakune, bird of omen. Vamane tatha, vomiting. Alakashyapa, to show moving hair. Nayane, to show eyes. Lalata tilakesu cha, to do a tilak mark on forehead. Nityutakasye nikshepe, to take a holy bath. Shastravade prasiddhake, talking about the famous Shastras, where the word by word meaning is Shastras, the books. Vade, discussing. Prasiddhake, famous. Evam arthe suyujyante mayura karabhavana. Mayura Hasta Viniyoga is used in depicting the following things. So that's it for today's video. I hope the video would be helpful to you. Thank you.